picture of Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha. Anadi. He has no beginning. But he is the beginning of everyone. Anadi Govinda. And his name is Govinda. Go means senses. And go means cow. And go means land. So, he is the proprietor of all land. He is the proprietor of all cows. And he is the, pleasure for all senses. We are after sense pleasure, but our perfection of sense pleasure can be achieved when we reciprocate our pleasure with Krishna. Therefore his name is Govinda. Govindam Adipurusam Tamaham Bhajam. Govinda is the supreme original personality of God.